Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make solution shorts. I actually saw these shorts on Kim Kardashian's website, SKIMS Shapewear, and I was so concerned. It's actually a short with one leg, and then it's called solution shorts. The details for this is a skin sculpting solution to high slit skirts. Yeah, so if you have a high slit skirt, if you have a long dress that has a high slit, you can go for that short. But now in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make your own at home, and I just want your honest opinion. If you love it, if you think it's weird, if you would make it, if you would buy it. Yeah, so just comment below. The shorts are $42. Most of the shapewears that I wanted and I would buy, they are actually, most of them are sold out. But then the good thing about this SKIMS collection is that all shades are here. You won't miss your shade, you won't miss your size, like they're all there, unless if they are sold out. Don't use your favorite short, because actually this was just a trial and error. That's why I'm telling you, don't use your favorite short or your most expensive short. I'm going to use, I have 3 shorts, but then I'm going to just pick one, the one that I don't like the most, and I'm going to cut it. So this is one of the shorts, one of the 3, and I actually decided to cut this one because it was not perfect compared to the other ones, and then this one was kind of cheaper, and you can also see it's not long, like compared to the other 2. This one was not long and it was not that perfect. That's why I decided to cut this one. I actually got these shorts from Amazon at maybe $9, $10, I guess. I did cut this one because this one, it was so perfect. It was long, and then it is kind of seamless and detectable when I put it on, and then it just tucks everything in and give you that hourglass shape figure. And then for another reason, it's because it is so soft. So I didn't want to cut this one and then end up messing it up. I also had an option of cutting this one, but then this one, it was so expensive, and it's actually one of my favorite shorts, and I didn't cut it because it was expensive and so soft, and it holds everything in place, and also because it has these wires, but then it is breathable, and then it just gives you that hourglass shape figure. So yeah, don't cut your expensive or your favorite shorts. So this is how the shorts look in this dress. Like you can see, so perfect. Like this is the 3rd short, and you can see how perfect it is. It is flawless. You can't even see it. It is so undetectable, and then it still gives you that hourglass figure. So we're going to cut these shorts. And it was not that expensive. That's why, like, I just want to cut it. Yeah, so if I decide to wear this short, this is how it will be in this dress, and you can see the split is so long, so I can't wear it like this, and this is why I want to cut it and make the solution short and see if it really will work, and see if it's going to work like the Kardashian one. So guys, before you cut, just make sure you know the side of the slit, because you might end up cutting the right side and then the slit is on the left side, or the left side and then the slit is on the right side. So just make sure you're keen on that. Make sure you know the side you're going to cut. So you're going to measure where you're going to cut, mark a line under the butt cheeks, like not like immediately under the butt cheek, but just leave some inches. So you'd rather cut it longer than shorter, because at least when you cut it longer, you have, you know, a chance to reduce it. But then when you cut it shorter, there's no going back. You're going to cut it at an angle and not a straight line, because you want it to look like an underwear. So this is the end results, and it's actually just the same, actually exactly as the SKIMS shorts, but then mine looks kind of ugly, but it just works the same as the SKIMS one. So this is how it looks on my body. Like there's no difference between this and what I see online or on their side. It's just the same. Yeah, but then my opinion on this, guys, I don't think like so many people are going to need this just because they have a high waist, just because they have a high slit skirt or a high slit dress. This is just my opinion, guys. Just comment below if you think you will buy this. And actually, when I checked it on their website, it was not sold out, because I think not anyone who has a high slit skirt is going to need this.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder.
This is how it looks on me. I can't see any difference on my hips, like they're just the same. The hips are not, the hip sizes are not different, they're just the same. My tummy is tucked in. I still have that, you know, hourglass shape figure. The short is still doing its work, but then the idea of the one leg is what I'm concerned with. Though I like the idea, I like the creativity. And then another thing with mine is someone might see it on the side because it's not like my shade. But then on SKIMS website, they have different shades. They have a mix of shades. So if your skin is dark, if your skin is light, if your skin is, you know, all shades are there, you will find your shade. Like now, but now for mine, for this, I can't wear it in this dress, because of course even someone might notice it when I walk. And then another thing I also noticed is that most of the shapewear that I wanted or I would buy from the site, they were sold out, but this one, they were still in stock, because I don't think like so many people are going to buy these shorts just because they have a high slit skirt or a high slit, you know, dress. And so to be honest with you guys, the first time I saw these shorts, I actually thought they were meant for this jumpsuit right here, because you can see, yeah. So then later on I realized it can be worn in this dress as well.
So save your judgment, cause you just don't know.
And so guys, my opinion on these shorts, I will say I'd rather wear these bodysuit shapewear other than the shorts, because this one makes sense. To me, that is my opinion, guys. Just comment below. I want your honest opinion as well. And this is how the bodysuit shapewear looks in this outfit, and it's just perfect. It's just okay. So I'd rather wear this than the shorts.
You make me feel again.
So another thing I know most of you will ask me is if it rolls up. Yes, it will roll up, of course, because you've cut it. But then what you're going to do, just fold the edge and stitch it or glue it down, because I also saw the SKIMS one, they are sewn. So just do that and it will be perfect. It'll just be like an underwear and it won't roll up at all.
How I got this way. You think I'm someone to be
like so, guys, you can see this is it. This is the solution short. Like, it's so perfect. It's just the same as the Kardashians one.
Say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same.
So guys, finally I have my own one leg shorts, solution shorts from Sharon Wani's collection. So that was it for today, guys. If you learned something from this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And also just comment below if you would buy these shorts, if you would make them, and what you think about them. If you think they're sexy, if you think they're weird, if you think this is a solution to the long slit skirts and dresses. Yeah, so that was it for today, guys. See you on my next video.
I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone. So save your judgment, cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. Oh, they say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break, swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change.